So, bro, you telling me to go up from here, climb up this door to get there?
Yeah. And guys, this is not trespassing, by the way.
Okay,
We
here.
own all of this property.
Yep. I fear for my pants.
He wearing them designer clothes, but it doesn't matter.
Pants and shoes down. And my white t-shirt.
Doesn't matter.
Limited edition.
Give me a rock, by the way, please.
Oh, you mean?
Just pass my dang rock, dude.
This rock, I sat on top of it. And
Pass it. And I dropped it. Anyways, here we go.
Actually, let me just stay here for a while. I'm enjoying this view. The neighbors. How am I supposed to get down?
Figure that out.
Bro!
But guys, anyway, we're gonna be hunting, and as you can see, there's a turtle dove right there. Yeah. Anyway, as you can see, there's a turtle dove right there. We're gonna try get it. So stay tuned, because if we get this, we're gonna have food tonight, boy.
Oh, dang. Sorry. They saw the camera and they're like, ooh! I'm in this guy's YouTube channel. Bro!
Guys, anyways, we're not doing this just for fun. It's just to make this video. These birds come and eat this tree right here. It has lots of delicious,
Mulberry.
yeah, delicious mulberries. And they come and eat.
We forgot what it's called in English.
There are mulberries in English, but
Nah, they call pepper berries.
oh, whatever. But then they kind of pest around here because once they finish this tree, humans got nothing to eat. So we're gonna wait for them while they come back. And these turtle doves, I heard they're quite good actually. But anyways, let's see. Okay, guys, so I just saw a bird landing, but that's a really good. They are a good place, but they don't really like those birds around here. They really live here. We eat the good turtle bull. A turtle dove, a red-eyed bubble, or a laughing bird, which have like a leopard.
Oh, hardy dog.
Landed. Bird landed.
Okay, bird. Shh, shh, CJ. There it is, guys. The beauty. Just look how. He's so fat. Look how fat and juicy this thing is. Ah!
It just looks like I hit the bird, but then again, I didn't actually penetrate it enough because I didn't pull it hard enough because they are neighboring places towards next door. Okay, now let's head into Solazi. Boom! Here's Solazi.
Hey guys, you might be wondering, why am I even doing this video? Why am I not just chilling, relaxing, watching YouTube on TV? Well, the reason why I'm doing this is because me and CJ are hunters. And for once, we want to feel how it feels like food being far away from a store that you can just regularly buy food. Now you see this rock right here. This is a perfect rock. Now let's sit in. Oh yeah. Can't eat actually. Where was it, cameraman?
It's a dove, female dove. I'm gonna try get it.
Subscribing. This cute little kid, man.
So guys, we actually hit a bird, but because our momentum, because you don't hit it hard enough, you just hit a bird off camera, it's gonna be still living this whole
Not
life.
that strong, right?
Yeah, we're not pulling it hard enough, but I guess I'll just take some other ammo right here. and we'll see if we can get another one. So, please. So guys, we shot other birds off camera, and we shot. I hit the blimmin' log, and then I missed it. It flew off. It knew that we were trying to get its meat, but then again, so as we shot, these were laughing doves, not turtle. We saw a big male fly up, but then again, so as he shot one, he missed by a mile. But then again, even if we don't get it, we can just go on to the supermarket, get bird meat, and accept defeat. We ain't doing that. We're gonna stay here until the day we die. Well, not till the day we die, but until we get something to eat, okay? So, peace. And okay, guys, that is it for today's video. Sadly, we didn't get anything, but I did get a few shots off camera. So, peace.